Hey y'all, it's Mickey Smith. Today we're talking about eyebrows. As you know, eyebrows can make or break a look. Let me tell you, I have been struggling for years. I literally just did my eyebrows, and although they say that they don't have to be twins, they can be sisters, mine look like cousins that live on different continents. So for me, I've always had thin, sparse eyebrows, and makeup helps a little, but I'm not that good at it, case in point. So I'm just wondering what the next step should be. I've thought about microblading to get a nice full look and to really give me a face, but it seems like such a big step. I don't know. Have you thought about this? Have you struggled with your eyebrows? Today, I want to talk about that. I want to talk about the techniques I've used. I want to talk about my wish list of microblading and why I haven't taken that step. Sit and let's just chat about it. Okay, guys. So the struggle is real, and this is where it all starts. This is what I'm working with: thin, sparse eyebrows. Okay, I have tried everything. I mean it. I've tried pencils. I've tried powder. I've tried templates. I've tried gel. None of it's working for me. They still go like this, like they're on a seesaw. I just don't get it. So I can show you better than I can tell you. We started with me having just done my brows, and I'm going to show you that process here. It's not so bad, but it's not as full as I want, and they're crooked. So I want to give you a couple more demos of what I've been using and what they look like. So we will move on over to the Magic Sanctuary. Let's go. Okay, guys, so we are in the Internet Auntie Sanctuary, and I want to show you just a couple of the tools and products that I have been using on my brows. And you will see that they consistently just come out not the way I would want. Okay, so let's get to it. I think the first product I want to show is this tinted mascara by NYX. So I like to use affordable products on my brows because, first of all, I've tried several of them. And if I had to spend a grip on these products, how pissed off would I be, especially since they don't work? Okay. So it's like when you try a dupe handbag in order to see if you really like it, instead of spending thousands of dollars and then you don't. Yeah, I need this. Okay, so let's see. Thin and sparse, thin and sparse. What's a girl to do? Huh? I don't know. I've tried everything. I think that at the end of the day, microblading might be what I need to do, but not there yet. Okay, see what I mean? Oh my goodness, this is too much. I'm no good at this. Okay, you get the idea. That's the gel. Epic fail. And it's an epic fail on camera. Okay. let's get rid of this. And we are going to try the one that I use most often, that I feel the most confident with. Okay? And that is this. All right, we got it. Okay. I am going to start with this side first since I can't seem to get it together. Okay. All right. Not too bad, not too bad. Let's see what we're going to do with her sister. I'm looking at the mirror behind the camera. Okay, so this is the one I use the most often. So these brows are definitely not as full as I'd like them to be, or as even as I'd like them to be, but it's good enough for government work, as they say, and this is what I do on the regular. Okay. And then last but not least, we are going to use the stamp. And I'll show you what that looks like. That was really my biggest hope, honestly, for thick, full eyebrows because of the stencil. And that's this. Okay. So this is what this is about. Trying to find I'm trying to find it. Yeah, okay. Let me not make any naughty jokes here. Okay, and you can see, all right? Now I'm going to stamp around that, and she should come out looking like a nice full brow. Please don't embarrass me. Okay. I do not like the color of it, but it does something, at least from afar. So if I don't know where the other one is, I'm just going to flip this one over and do the other eyebrow. Let's see what it looks like. Thank you guys for spending time with me. Okay. And she is set, I think. And stamp, 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 stamp. Okay. The proof will be in the pudding. And every time. Look at this. Look, look, look. That's why I made this video. What you gonna do? Okay. How am I supposed to save this? Tell me, somebody, please. Okay. Um, let's see. All right. Maybe there is a way. Maybe. Let's try it. And these look ridiculous. They look fake and all the things. So that's it. That's the demo. We will now leave the sanctuary. So you can see that at the end of the day, none of these products are giving me the fullness that I'm looking for, and that's why I'm considering microblading. So why haven't I pulled the trigger with microblading? Well, I'm glad you asked. As I like to say, my skin is extremely sensitive. And when I did the research on microblading, there was some information that spoke to allergic reactions, scarring, the healing didn't quite go the way that they thought it would. I'm filming here. Okay. So that's that's really why. I'm scared. I'm scared that I'm going to have some type of a bad reaction to it and it's not going to heal properly. But I keep thinking about it and thinking about it. So I think I'm going to pull the trigger, but I really would like to get some feedback, some input from folks that have also been thinking about it, and most of all, people that have had it done. I'd really like to know what the experience is like and how it went. It's one thing for me to go to the esthetician and say, okay, tell me what it's going to be like. But unless they've gone through it themselves, I'm not sure that I'm going to trust that. Plus, they're incentivized to say that it'll be okay. So I'd like to get some information from some folks that have been there, done that, so that I can be well informed before stepping into this lovely world of having a full face. So hit me up in the comments and let me know. Or if you haven't been through it, but you know someone that has, forward this video to them and let them know about it and tell them I'm looking for some information, girl to girl. Okay? So the next episode, dun dun dun, is going to be about nails, right? Experimenting with color versus having signature colors. So I think this is a big deal because we talk a lot about our personal style and things that we love that speak to who we are. And I definitely have some signature colors, but I've been experimenting this summer. So would like to just talk about that a little bit because nails are also a part of our look. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Bye.